Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you guys how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. For that, first open the Messenger app on your phone, then tap on three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings icon right here. If you see the option of secret conversation, go ahead and turn that off. If there is no such option, then go back and long press on the secret conversation you want to delete and press on delete. Again, click on delete. Then Messenger will ask you to confirm. Click on delete. And that's it. Now you know how to delete end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.